Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de and this is the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.5. It's a mid-range tablet and in this video we're going to have a look at it and at the accessory that comes with it. So let's check it out. Let's have a look at the specs first. So we have a 10.5-inch TFT PLS panel with an WUXGA resolution that's 1920 by 1200 pixels. The processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core with 1.8 GHz, and you get 3 gigs of RAM and 32 GB of storage for the user. And if that's not enough for you, of course you can also expand it with a micro SD card for all your music and videos. The main camera at the back has 8 megapixels and the front camera 5 megapixels, and the videos will be taken in full HD. From the connectivity we have Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGNAC with 2.4 and 5 GHz, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth 4.2, USB 2.0, Type-C, GPS, GLONASS and Baidu, and with the LTE model you also get LTE Cat 6. The built-in battery has a capacity of 7300 mAh and the operating system is Android 8.1. The tablet weighs 529 grams in the Wi-Fi version and 534 grams in the LTE version. For Samsung, the Galaxy Tab A 10.5 is the tablet for the family. Thanks to the multi-user mode, we can make an account for all the members of the family, and for the small ones there's also a children mode that is a little bit more secure. From the design we have a non-glossy back over here. It is plastic and it will be available in fog gray and ebony black. From the build quality it feels really good in my hands and it also doesn't feel so heavy. So really a nice tablet for the family. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.5 will be available on the 27th of August in Germany, and it will cost €329 for the Wi-Fi version and €389 for the LTE version. And that was my hands-on of the new Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.5. If you have any questions about this device, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!